Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open the little Miniverse record player. Trying not to get the glare on there. I'm so excited that I found this. Well, this one I got off of the MGA website a couple weeks ago. Alright, I don't know. Oh, this tape. Oh my goodness. These things are so hard to get out. Speaker number 1. Oh my gosh, there's gotta be an easier way. These things are really in here, like, oh my gosh. Like, what are you protecting this from? Good Lord. Maybe I should have opened this off camera. Darn. Yeah, hold on, I'm going to do this off camera. That took like an hour and 3 engineering degrees to get that thing open. That is crazy. But I got it. Don't mind my garbage. It says it comes with batteries, so I want to make sure. Yes, okay. It comes with a Beethoven record. So let's take a quick little listen for anybody out there that doesn't know what this stuff does. Turn it on, move the needle over. It is so cool, I love it. And they only play little clips, they don't play the full song. It's a rockin' version of Beethoven. It's so cool, I love it. Came with some speakers and a checklist. Like all the balls are gonna have their own checklist in it, but there's my little first setup. Now I gotta do the other one. Get all my garbage out of the way. Check it out, it is so cool, I love it. pretty soon you'll be seeing that fill up with some records. Till next time, bye.